Hey guys, it's Ryan here with Blockchain Markets. And today there is a topic that I want to discuss with you, which is how widely spread is the adoption of crypto or Bitcoin specifically. And this is not just for new people in the cryptocurrency world, but also to the other guys that have been for a while. There's something that I would like to discuss in specifically about this graph that I'm showing here, because there's something interesting in it. We When you start trading and when you start actually buying Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies in general, you get and you fall for this game more like the daily things and thinking, oh shit, it's going from 293 to 800. I'm gonna sell everything. Oh, it got here and we got to 20,000, and then the next day is 19. I'm gonna sell everything. Uh, so the biggest advantage of this is that it's a new technology. So that's why I think we should stop thinking in the short term and wish, as I always say, you shouldn't day trade with this. You should just leverage the fact that it's a new technology, and then as you see in this graph here, uh, they get sooner or later adopted by the masses. So if you want to get these huge gains as an investor, don't buy and sell every day because you'll lose money in transaction fees. Just buy something that you believe in. In this case, you believe in the technology, in the blockchain technology, and then just keep it, hold it uh, for the long term. Because there's an interesting phenomenon here that I want to share with you. If you see at the beginning, technology at the beginning of the 19th century, then you see like technology like phone, for example, took a while to get adopted, but eventually it did massively, massively. Electricity, same thing. It also took a while, but eventually it did. And if you see, if you go one by one, the radio, TV, uh, uh, planes, gaming, everything. It did take a while at the beginning, and you see the curve is not that steep. It doesn't go like that. It's not like a hockey stick, like many startups would like to be today. But if you see in the long term, it is a good investment. So anyway, if you think I'm gonna be just selling and buying Bitcoin every day or any cryptocurrencies, my personal approach to this is just to buy something that you believe in and hold it at least for a few years. Now, unless there is something that like a crazy market, a crazy bull market, like what happened last December, yes, you can, and then you see that everybody's talking about Bitcoin. Yeah, you can sell and then just wait until because every bull market uh, comes with a bear market right afterwards. So you could just sell and then buy cheaper. But my point, the point I want to make in this video is that um, it's easy to get lost in the daily things of it's going up, it's going down, checking like every 5 minutes coin market cap. But this graph shows you that technologies take a while to be adopted, and which is very important to see. As you see, the latest technologies take way less time to get adopted. You see, like this at the beginning, as I said, they don't have like this steep line. It just takes a while to be adopted. But the further we go into the future, then into now the present, sorry, then you see that technologies get adopted like this. Boom. How did you have a smartphone in 1980? No, nobody did. 1990, nobody did either. Google didn't exist in the 80s. So yeah, Amazon didn't exist in the 80s. The internet is very, very new technology. And then nowadays, we just think that those things have been always there. But it's not the case. What if you would have been an early shareholder of Google or Apple in the just in the early 90s? Now Apple is a bit older, so if you would have been in the 70s a shareholder, you would be like a millionaire. Of course, you would have millions. Now, as you see here, this technology, I do. In this case, the graph shows Bitcoin, but I would like to see it as more as cryptocurrencies in general, because there are also other very interesting projects that, in what I think, that have even more potential than Bitcoin. So yeah, that's the thing that I wanted to discuss with you guys. Technology in the long term, if it's good technology, it gets adopted, and that means a lot of money for people that believed in that technology in the early days. So if you want to be here, I think it's a good thing to be in the cryptocurrency market. If you want to discuss anything else, guys, just leave it in the comments. I'll try to answer as many as I can. Also join our private community of crypto investors. The link is in the description, and I'll see you in the next video.